Hello student, today's topic is ecosystem. Ecosystem is interaction between abiotic and biotic components. It is a self-sustaining and functional unit of biosphere. The term ecosystem was coined by Sir Arthur Tansley. Types of ecosystems. It's of two types, natural and artificial. Natural ecosystem exists in nature on its own, for example forest, lake and ocean, whereas artificial is man-made, for example crop field, aquarium and gardens. Next is the ecosystem. You can draw the flowchart like man-made and natural. Natural are again of two types, aquatic and terrestrial. Aquatic ecosystem constitutes marine ecosystems and freshwater ecosystems. And terrestrial ecosystem includes land ecosystems, for example forest, desert and grasslands. Freshwater ecosystem examples are river, lake and ponds, and marine ecosystem examples are sea and oceans, whereas man-made ecosystem examples are crop plants and aquariums. Next comes the components of an ecosystem. There are two components of the ecosystems, abiotic components and biotic components. Abiotic components are non-living components, whereas biotic components are the living components. Abiotic components of ecosystem includes physical environment like soil, water and air, along with the inorganic substances like carbon dioxide, oxygen, water, etc. Biotic components of an ecosystem or living components of ecosystem involves the three types of organisms: producers, consumers and decomposers. So first, producers. They are the organisms which synthesize their own food. For example, green plants. They are called the producers. All the producers are autotrophs. They changes the sun's energy into chemicals and chemical energy, and they trap the sunlight and make it food for the others. Next are the consumers, which consumes the food prepared by the others. They are again of three types: herbivores, which eat mainly plants; carnivores, which eat flesh; and omnivores, which eat both plants and flesh of the other animals. Next are the decomposers. They decompose or they consume dead or decaying organic matter and acts as a cleaners of the environment. So mainly they are bacteria and fungus. So next comes the major role of the decomposers. So they help return raw materials and nutrients to the environment. So you can write the importance of decomposers as they help in disposing of the waste and dead bodies of the plants and animals. Therefore they clean the environment and create space for a living of newer generations of organisms. Moreover, the decomposer releases minerals and other raw materials trapped in organic matters. They are picked up by the plants. This also helps to maintain the fertility of the soil.